Hi guys! So today I will be wrapping my gifts for my mother. She will turn 50th this upcoming December 25. And yes, ka-birthday niya si Papa Jesus. Opo. Like, doon mo talaga malalaman na bukal at banal ang isang tao. Hala, sobrang okay. Pero unlike her birthdays before na parang sinasabay na lang kasi nga may Christmas celebration, today will be very much special kasi nga 50 na siya. And honestly before, I don't know what's the big deal pag 50 ka. Pero meron palang tawag doon. It's like golden years. Medyo padami akong gifts. Like binonggahan ko talaga this 50th birthday. I feel like ito yung mga bagay na talagang magagamit niya and magugustuhan niya. I got this handy fan. So this is, girl, this is quite expensive. Pero, ito na kasi yung pinaka nakita ko na tino naman, na hindi super expensive. Kasi mas expensive pa rin, of course, ang Jisoo Life. And kung naririnig nyo na may kumakanta, that's my papa. He loves to sing. Okay. So, lagi siyang may karaoke nights, morning, tanghali, lahat na 24/7 karaoke. Fancy. And if you're wondering, bakit kailangan ng nanay mo ng IFA? She works sometimes at a warehouse. And yung warehouse na yun is, sabi niya, mainit daw, wala daw aircon doon. So, kailangan niya. Matagal niya na to actually inihingi sa akin. But, I don't wanna buy like something kasi na, ang lakas. Ang lakas. Parang lower. I don't wanna buy something na puchu-puchu. Alam niyo yun, yung parang walang tatak, ganun. Like, keme-keme na yung quality. Kasi, girl, I want something that she can use for lifers. Lifers talaga! Para ba? Think about my mother. She's pretty careless. So, meron din siyang lanyard na kasama and then, like, a charging cable. Thank you po, Judith, for the sponsorship. Charing, hindi to sponsored post. Naalala ko, binilhan ko siya ng salamin, like, prescription glasses. And then, within just, like, 2 weeks ata. Parang wala pa nga 2 weeks nasira niya agad. Like, that's how careless my mom is. So, if bilhan ko siya ng puchu-puchu, like, chippy pie lang na brand, I'm pretty sure na pag nabaksak niya yun, wala na, hindi na yung kagana. So, yeah, this is the cooling handy fan, which is nice. Sobrang lakas niya. Medyo nainggit ako, parang gusto ko na rin tuloy bumili. The next item that we're going to unbox is this perfume, Bath and Body Works, or I'm not actually sure anymore kasi sobrang tagal ko na itong in-order. Girl, pabango lang yan. Cute siya. 800 na. Ang mahal. Yan talaga yung amats ng nanay ko. Bukod sa mga damit, ang hilig niya ng nanay ko is perfumes talaga. Like, she will always bring home perfume para as a reward to herself kapag sahod niya or something. Like, may